Hello dear viewers, today I'll talk about the remedies that you should do if your main door is facing the southwest direction. The southwest direction is considered to be the direction of Lord Rahu. So that is why that direction is the direction of Lord Rahu, and that direction is supposed to be always closed. There shouldn't be a door actually there. But now if we stay in flats nowadays, now if there is a door, what will you do? So keep that door closed most of the time, unless only when it is necessary open the door, and immediately after that you need to keep the door closed. You can put heavy curtains also there, okay, so that, and the door should be closed so that too much of light doesn't enter into the house through that door. You should keep the northeast direction of your house open. There should be open space there, and let air come into the house, light, sunlight and air through the northeast direction. Then you should also, next remedy is you can you should hang wind chimes at the door. Wind chimes should be hung at the main door, which is facing the southwest direction. Those wind chimes they should be made of ceramic material. Okay, ceramic wind chimes. Okay, and the wind chimes, it should have 5 rods, at least it should contain 5 rods. And you can also hang the same type of wind chimes in the northeast direction also. That is also a very good remedy for this kind of main door. Then what you should do is in the kitchen where you cook your food, there also it is believed that Lord Rahu stays there also, where the food is cooked on the gas stove. So there also Lord Rahu stays. So the first chapati that you make, or whatever you make, so the first chapati maybe you can keep it there and just dedicate it to Lord Rahu, and so that you just keep it there, in his name you keep it there. And also then later on you can also keep one chapati for the cow or a crow. And yes, one more remedy for Lord Rahu is that you should feed crows. If you feed crows, Lord Rahu is he becomes very happy, and he will bless you. Yes, and he will give you good results. Feed crows, you can give them rice grains also, whatever you can give them, if they chapati, whatever. So feed crows. And feeding ants, that is also another very good remedy for Lord Rahu. Feed them with flour and sugar. Mix flour and sugar in a bowl and keep it somewhere, so that ants can come. You just keep it, ants will definitely come and take. Mix some sugar with flour. So that is a very good remedy for Lord Rahu. Then what you should do, and don't kill the ants after they have eaten and all, then slowly see to it that they eat and let it remain there for a long time. Then maybe if you want to clean that place, then slowly you broom in such a way so that the ants don't die. Don't kill the ants. Yes, that is also you have to remember. Then what you have to do, you have to also see to it that on the gas stove where you cook your food, the head of the family, you please call that person to have at least he can have a little bit of food in the beginning. He can have there. He may not finish the entire food there in the kitchen slab, just beside that he can stand there, or maybe he can sit there and he can just have little bit of food. Let him start eating there, and he may eat for some time there, and then he can go to the drawing room. Then he can go to the dining room. So that you can do. The head of the family, or anybody can do that. Whoever you feel is whoever is short tempered, or whoever doesn't listen to their parents, maybe if there is such a child, or somebody who's he's falling into some kind of addiction and all, then that person should definitely be fed in the kitchen where the food is cooked. And then maybe at least he should have the food there for some time, and then he can go. He can take the plate and go away. That is also a very good remedy for Lord Rahu. Then what you should do is that another important thing, the washroom of your house, it should not be actually in the southwest direction. If the door is facing southwest, washroom should not be there. And wherever the washroom is there in your house, the washroom should be kept very clean, because the southwest direction is the direction of Lord Rahu, and that is the direction of your main door. So wherever the washroom is placed in the house, the washroom should be kept very, very clean. Okay, that is another remedy, very important. All kinds of disinfectants should be there, and the washroom should be kept very clean. Then what you have to do is, yeah, these are the wind chimes. I told you about the wind chimes. So these remedies if you do, and southwest direction, no, southwest direction is the direction where you should keep heavy things. So you can keep any kind of, usually if there is a water tank in the southwest direction of your house, so obviously if in the southwest, towards the southwest direction, if there is a water tank in, then that is good. Within your house, within the compound of your house, if there is a water tank in the southwest direction, it will be good. Or maybe in the southwest direction you can keep some heavy things. Okay, you should keep. And the northeast direction should be there, sunlight and air should come, and it should have free open space, northeast direction. So these remedies if you do, then definitely, even if your door is facing southwest, you will definitely get relief. And see to it that you don't fall into any kind of addiction, whatever be that addiction. And also you need to, you should never compromise on your moral principles. Otherwise, if you, in order to get success in life, if you betray someone, if you fall into any kind of, if you fall into evil ways, and if you or if you earn money in ways which are not ethical, then Lord Rahu will give you, will not be able to give you good results, because now that your door is facing the direction of Lord Rahu. So now you have to always see to it that you lead an ethical life. That is also the best remedy for Lord Rahu. Okay, so thank you friends, and that's all I wanted to say today. Thank you.